I'm Teacher Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to ask and answer basic questions using past tense. When was the last time you went shopping? The last time I went shopping was 2 days ago. Did you buy anything? Yes, I did. What did you buy? I bought chicken, eggs, pork, bananas, and yogurt. How much was it? In total, everything was about $40. Did you try to get a discount? No, I didn't. I was at the supermarket. When was the last time you did housework? I did housework yesterday. What did you do? First, I washed the dishes and then I cleaned the kitchen. How long did it take? It took about 20 minutes. Did you enjoy it? Yes, I did. I like cleaning. Was it difficult? No, it wasn't. It was very light work. When was the last time you went to a party? I went to a party 2 weeks ago. What was the occasion? It was my friend's birthday party. Was there a cake? No, there wasn't. Was there dancing? No, there wasn't. Well, was the party fun? Yes, it was. I had a really good time. When was the last time you drove a car? I drove a car just a couple hours ago. Where did you go? I drove to the dentist. How was the traffic? The traffic was worse than it normally is. Why was that? It was because of the rain. Oh, well, how long did it take you to get there? Getting there took about 7 minutes. Was it easy to find a parking space? Yes, it was. When was the last time someone gave you a present? The last time someone gave me a present was 2 weeks ago. What was it? Actually, I got several presents. I got clothes and a watch. Who were they from? They were from my parents and my wife. What was the occasion? It was my 33rd birthday. Were you surprised? No, I wasn't. When was the last time you ate pizza? The last time I ate pizza was 2 months ago. How much pizza did you eat? I ate 3 slices. Where was it from? It was from Domino's. Was it good? It was okay. It wasn't bad. Did you eat anything else with it, like pasta or chicken wings? No, I didn't. So yeah, those are some examples of how to ask and answer questions using past simple tense. Thank you for watching.